Hi, I'm Heather Tachna and welcome back to Cooking with the Tachnas. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite things from childhood, which is homemade applesauce. My mom brought me back an entire giant bag of McIntosh apples from Ohio recently, and I've cut up about 20 of them, cored them and peeled them, and literally you're just going to dump it into a cooking pot that has about an inch of water in it, and you're going to cook it down on low heat over about an hour to an hour and a half. And as all the apples get cooked down, then you'll add cinnamon, sugar to taste. Just taste it and see if it's as sweet as you want it to be. And about 2 tablespoons of tapioca pudding, and that will thicken it up really nicely so it's not runny. So I'm just gonna pour these in and get started. That's it. We'll check back soon. The applesauce has been cooking for a couple hours now. It needed to be stirred about once every 5-10 minutes, and I literally cooked it on low the entire time. So it's ready to have the tapioca and the sugar and the cinnamon added to it, and that's it. So here's a good look at it. All right. There's still some chunks in there, but that is okay. So I'm going to add in some cinnamon, and I'm going to add in the sugar, and I'm going to add in the tapioca. Give it a stir. This is what it looks like. At the end of this, you let it cool down. And my family, we always freeze it in quart bags. You can also put it into mason jars, but it's best if you just freeze it. And then whenever you want some applesauce, you just pull out a serving size of applesauce, and it's the perfect amount, and it doesn't go bad because you don't have a giant jar of it. So I really hope that you guys enjoy it. I'm really looking forward to trying it. I haven't had it in a long time, so this is very nostalgic for me. So the applesauce has completely cooled. You really don't want to try it when it's hot because you can burn the bejesus out of the roof of your mouth. Here's what it looks like. And as I said, we're going to divide it up into quart bags and we're going to freeze them flat, but I want to try it. That just took me back like 40 years. I'm going to be 50 in November, and that took me back to my childhood like that. So this is absolutely delicious. I really hope you try it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications.